Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Tacticool game. This tutorial works both on your Android or iOS device, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Tacticool application on your smartphone and on the main screen, tap on the menu button at the top left. Now, click on Settings from the expanded menu on the left-hand side. Inside Settings, tap on Account. You will be able to see different login options such as Game Center for Android users, Apple ID option for iPhone users, PanzerDog ID, and these options are displayed under the Accounts tab. Select one of the login methods and sign in with your account. You can sign up with Game Center, Apple ID, or PanzerDog ID. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the PanzerDog ID option. Now you can easily log in with your PanzerDog ID. If you don't have the PanzerDog ID, then you can easily register right away by tapping the Register Now button. After you have an account, tap on Login and enter your email that is associated with the PanzerDog ID. Now tap the Login button. On the next page, verify your email with a verification code sent to you via your email inbox, and you will then be able to sign in to your account. After signing in, your game's data will be saved and synced, and you can use the same account to log in on other devices as well. So that is how you can easily log into Tacticool with the login options available within the game in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Tacticool tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next game.